loss of sound functions on the iPhone 7 is a really common issue that we get in the shop almost every single day. To fix it, we open up the phone, remove the logic board and then throw it under the microscope. Then we pull off the audio chip from the board and clean up the old solder using desoldering braid. The most common issue here is the trace from resistor 1103 to pad C12 becoming severed and creating an open line. And although in this case it's not totally broken, it really shouldn't be this easy to remove one of these pads from the board. To repair the broken pad, I use a piece of wire thinner than human hair to create a new pad which will connect the chip back to the resistor and restore the sound functions. With the pad rebuilt, I add a little bit of UV mask to secure and insulate the wire before reinstalling the chip, cleaning up the area, then reinstalling the logic board back into the phone and testing that the sound functions now work properly again.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.